Well, hello, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. Today, we're in Fulton County in the city of Fairburn, getting ready to tour this beautiful new construction home behind me that's in the Jardin community. Yes, let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. Okay, we're here. Big thank you to Karen for letting me feature this home on my channel. Yes, let me spin around. As I have driven through the community, I've noticed that there are vacant lots. I don't know if some of the lots are just vacant for just, it's just part of the aesthetics of the community, or if they are available to purchase and build on. I don't know. But what I can tell you is that this one here is available and it's pretty on the inside. Okay. As you can see, there's sidewalks on both sides. Okay. This one is a 3-car garage, y'all. There's a little hill. You come up a little hill, and I'll turn around so you can see up on a little hill, y'all, just a little slight hill. And then it, flattens out. But you got your 3-car garage, okay? Let me show you what I mean about the little slight hill. See? Easy. So as I went in to prep the home and turn on the lights, I couldn't. So the lights are not on, but it's okay because it's daylight. So you'll be able to see, okay? And then when you schedule your private tour, I'll make sure that the lights are on, okay? So very good. Just want to let you all know that because, typically I try to prepare the home for a tour. Turning on lights, as many lights as I can, but this is the front porch here in Georgia. We love this. We love it. We want it. We got to have it. Let me show you. Come around here so you can see. So you got all this. See? So yeah. Put your furniture out here, hang out. It's covered, But let's go ahead and go in. Look at that. You got your foyer entry. I'll try to close the door behind me so you can see. Well, I tried. I didn't want to slam the door, so I just kind of nudged it, but it's still open. But you see the door from the inside. Okay, there we are. See? Pretty. It's very good. Okay, so you have your formal rooms, right? People love this. So you have a formal living room, formal dining room. Okay, and of course, you can make this out of an office if you want to. Put some doors right here and be through with it. Okay, it's nice in here. You got a featured wall, you got coffered ceiling. Yeah. So it'd be great to put a desk right here. What do you think? What would you do there? Because the way that light fixture is hanging is like another room to put a table there and sit down and eat. So, it's whatever you want. This room has featured walls as well, you see? All the way around. And then copper ceiling. Yes, so good. Hardwood floors, y'all. Yep. Very good. I'm gonna go back through here though, okay? I'm gonna bring the tour back through the front door. Beautiful staircase. We'll go up there a little bit. Here's your living room, family room. You see you have the fireplace. It's a great focal point. Copper ceiling in here. It's the details. It's the details. You have a view of your backyard right here. Okay. Let me show you. Very good. Before we walk into the kitchen, let me show you this right here. So you're coming in from the formal dining room area. This is your half bath, your powder room. And the toilet is behind the door. Okay? And then of course, every home has to have some storage. Okay? Right now there's of course material in there. Again, it's a new construction. Okay, now kitchen. Let's focus on the kitchen. Let's do this. You can put a table right here if you want to. You see that light fixture? You can put a table right here if you want to. Or a piece of furniture, right? Like what would you do? This room has sunlight coming from both sides. Look at that. Make this your keeping room, okay? Your sunroom. Yes, please. Multi-purpose island. You can sit down and eat, prep your food, wash your dishes, display your food. Got 2 ovens. So, you know, for you all that like to cook, okay, you culinary enthusiasts, very good for you. You like to cook, what do you prefer? Gas or electric? Right here you have gas. This appliance is Whirlpool, okay? That is Whirlpool. Here is your walk-in pantry. It has enough space for you to go to Costco and grab that stuff in bulk. Refrigerator is Whirlpool, okay? There's your dishwasher. It's Whirlpool as well. Very good. And then you step out and it's covered. And it's so quiet out here, y'all, and peaceful. The wind is blowing, so you see the leaves swaying. It's very good. I'll step out so you can see. I know, I understand. It's really important. You want to see it all. I don't mind. Okay. Very good. Okay. Sorry about that. The wind is blowing. Sorry. I know it sounds crazy. My apologies. Oh, I'm gonna go up so I can show you the detail, okay? Yes, come on. All right, let's get back inside. We have some more to go, okay? We're gonna walk on over to the other side. And then we're gonna go upstairs, okay? Here's a closet right here. Yep. Here is bathroom. We have a tub and shower combination. See that towel? It goes all the way to the ceiling, y'all. And you have a window. Okay? Right. Let's go to this. Let's see. Come in and spin around so you can see. This is a bedroom downstairs. It's so good to have a bedroom downstairs for guests. For, you know, it can become easily a multi-generational family. You can have your parents down here, take care of your parents, okay? You have older children back from college or, you know, getting their lives situated. Got a room down here and it has a full bathroom, okay? So now it's time to go upstairs and have a look. Let's do it. All right, now I hope you're enjoying the tour so far. Stay with me. We have to go upstairs. We got to have a look at the owner's suite and the other secondary bedrooms. If you want a private tour, you let me know and I will speak to the seller's agent and get that scheduled right away, okay? Also, don't forget to join my membership. So much fun over there, behind the scenes and videos just for the members, all right? Okay, let's continue. All right, let's do it. Up the stairs we go. It's very good up here. You're gonna really like it, okay? And of course, I'll spin around so that you can see what the staircase looks like and get a good idea. We're up here. See? Yeah. All right. So we'll start over here. Okay. Let's do it. Yes, to the owner's suite. Look at that wall, it's so pretty. Of course, you have tray ceiling right here. Okay, you have a sitting area. What would you put over there? Like, how would you situate that space? Because you can do whatever you want. Hook it up. Just wondering what you would be doing with it. You know, everyone has their own personal style. So put your own stamp on it, you know. Linen, gotta have that. Closet is a must. I'm gonna step in here. I know it's dark, y'all, but it won't be when you have your private tour, okay? It's just like this today. So here is the bathroom. Dual vanity. You have a water closet. Close this door behind me so you can see the shower. Tile, floor to ceiling. And you see, you just step in the shower. You got that transom window right there too. But then you have a soaking tub. You have a window as well. Beautiful light fixture. Got you a soaking tub. You got you a soaking tub. Here's the other closet too, okay? In Georgia, we have all 4 seasons. Sometimes it's like, you know, you want to put some clothes for another season someplace else. You can just put them in this closet. Yep. And you're right here by the laundry room too. They have the laundry room situated right here by your closet. How thoughtful and convenient is that? So, hold on, let's give you some perspective. Owner suite bathroom, okay? That's the owner suite over there. I'm in the second closet that leads us to the laundry room, okay? Got your laundry room. Open it up for you. All right? Laundry room, which brings us right back out. I'll turn around a second. Which brings us right back out to the hallway and the staircase, okay? All right, you with me? Okay, let's continue. Natural light in here. This is the bedroom. Very good. It's your closet. I was opening that door. I don't know if you heard it, but I was opening that door. Okay. Okay. Here's the bathroom. It has a window. You have a tub and shower combination. You have a linen closet. See? You have a linen closet. See? Very good. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Another bedroom, okay. Natural light. This is the front of the home. Yep. There's a closet too. There's a shared bathroom with the bedroom that's just next door, okay? I'll show you in just a moment. There's your closet. There's your closet. And here's that shared bathroom I was talking about. You have a tub and shower combination. That tile goes all the way up, okay? dual vanity. Let's open this up so you can see. Yep, you guessed it, the linen closet. I'll spin around so you can see. Let me step into this bedroom, and I'll show you from this side. Okay, this is a shared bathroom. Yep, very good. You come in this corner, spin around again so you can see. See? Yep, that's the closet. Very good. All right. Very good. Do you love it? Again, you're in the LeJardin community, sought after community in the city of Fairburn. Now let's go down to the kitchen and have a little chit chat, shall we? I certainly hope you've enjoyed the tour of this lovely new construction home in LeJardin. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen and I have in front of me a beautiful island that's multi-purpose, right? You can do everything here. Wash your dishes, prep your food, display your food, sit down and eat your food. Yes. One of the really great features of this kitchen is having access to the backyard. You have a covered patio, which is great for those early mornings and late evenings to, unwind or get yourself started for your day. Yeah. Also, there's a keeping room / sunroom right here in the kitchen that I love because there's so much natural light. Yes, very good. As well, if you are a multi-generational family, you will love the feature of having that bedroom down here on the main level. And it has access to the full bathroom. Upstairs, of course, has a lovely owner suite, super duper accommodating. That sitting area is very good, and I love that feature wall as well. On top of that, you have 2 walk-in closets. Come on. What else can you ask for? The spa-like shower, the soaking tub, it's very good. Listen, when you talk about buying a home, selling a home, whether it's new construction or resale, don't go at it alone. Don't do that. In this case, the seller has hired an agent to represent their interests. You should do the same. Create some separation there. Hire me. Consider me a resource. I would love to represent you and your family when buying your home here in Georgia. Okay, so contact me right away. My information is right here. Boom. Call me, text me, email me. I will respond. My number is right here too. You can call me right now to talk about this home. Also, if I don't answer the phone, which is rare, just send me a text message or click the link below in the description and schedule a one-on-one face-to-face call with me. We'll talk about some things, your wants and desires, and map out a nice strategy for you. We're going to execute it at your own pace. All right. You may have a home that you're wanting to sell before you buy a new home. We do these things all the time. You're in good hands. All right. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share it. Share it with your friends and family. Let them know, hey, we got it going on here in Georgia. And they'll see, because when you watch my other videos, you'll get like an idea, a lay of the land, because I record a lot of videos in the Atlanta metro area. That way you'll see like in different price points, different styles, and things like that. So go ahead and watch those videos, get familiarized with Atlanta, the metro Atlanta area, and then contact me right away. Okay, call me, contact me right away. All right, looking forward to meeting you all very soon here. Okay, take care. We'll see you on the next video.